open the lid. Insert your mask into the chamber, allowing its attached hose to rest in the open hose slot. Close the lid. The SoClean will now automatically operate according to its present time and duration. Important: even though the actual run time of the SoClean may only be 5 to 10 minutes, it is necessary to let the mask remain in the closed chamber for at least 2 more hours. The cycle indicator light will shine green as a sign that all disinfecting is complete and the mask is ready to be removed from the chamber.